up here, driven by Andrew of First Point Insurance, sponsoring the hypercar parade and the VIP area. So the Valkyrie is a Cosworth V12 powered hypercar, road legal, Aston Martin, Red Bull, engineered race car for the roads. Absolutely stunning to see it. The aero, carbon fibre everywhere, ceramic brakes. We are going to get launched from the SP3 Ferrari first as the Valkyrie warms up. This is what you came to see, ladies and gents. When you get a Valkyrie. I just squeezed out a little bit of wing. Hold on, doors open, okay. Is that a diesel F40? And doors open on that, there goes the Here comes one of the legends of the day. Kyman presents the Aston Martin Volcan.
I know.
That was orgasmic. That was amazing. I was sitting there for it as well. That was amazing. I'm going to have to go sit down, ladies and gents. Sorry about that. Here we have navigation prototype 5 McLaren P1. 105 McLaren P1. McLaren's going to line up next to the P1 to see how the car's evolved. There goes the P1. And the gentleman drives a low-light race car, so you can put his foot down and go enjoy it. There goes the McLaren 7. Load of McLaren 7. Big wings, big thing. Load another 488 Pista in the G-Pack. The Japanese player on top, that's what they have to do. Our finance partners here.
Still so many more cars.
Ford GT hypercars. One is 10 miles Heritage Edition and the other is the Heritage Edition. Absolutely stunning to see them both here together. One owner, all three Ford GTs and the Super Performance 60s Ford GT. 40 is currently at home experiencing slight issue, but here he is with three. 177. Great to see two of those here and a Valhalla lining up behind it, beside it. Phenomenal lineup. The top wheels have had a great Steve, you love this. You love it. Valhalla 177. Now the 177 is probably about 20 years old now. The Valhalla last year first delivery. Look at that, Valkyrie, very different sound. That is more of a road-going practical car. There goes the 177. With the double livery and another Valhalla. There we go, off it goes. Wow, these cars in the last few years have gone absolutely crazy in value, and to see it here today, an absolute legend in the class. The Lamborghini Murcielago SB. Back wings are up, ready to launch it down the runway. The centre's going to go first, I believe. Campbell's having a quiet word. We got the Chiron and the Lamborghini Reventon is here. Let's see, across the roster from Cover HLS. So, gents, we are going to have a good look at the Lamborghini Reventon. This car was based on the Lamborghini Murcielago and made to look like a fighter jet. Here with our very special owner, Rob. That is the Lamborghini Reventon making its way down. One of only 20 in the world. Competizione, FF90XX about to hit the runway with all those horses from Maranello. The stunning GTH has made it to the front of the runway as well. This is a customer-owned vehicle. Lexus LFA B10 Spice. The sound of this is and the number plate B10. One of the best sound cars ever made. There goes the colour we've still got more makes its way up to the start line, and we have the Dornish delivery as well. This GTH 0 to 60 in about 2 seconds. There we go. It's fast and furious here on the start line. The action is thick, fast, and amazing. So Ben Collins is there.